In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Google Drive. Whether you're trying to get a better view of your documents or you need to make things easier to read, zooming in can make a big difference. Let's dive into the simple steps that will have your Google Drive content appear just the way you want it in less than 5 minutes. First things first, you need to access your Google Drive account. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Google Drive. You'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't done so already. Enter your email and password and hit next. If you're having trouble finding the sign-in page, simply search for Google Drive in your browser and it should be one of the top results. Remember, accessing your Google Drive means you're handling sensitive information, so ensure you're doing this in a secure manner. Once you're in your Google Drive, viewing all your folders and documents, you might find that things are looking a little too small or hard to read. This is where we zoom in, and it's incredibly easy to do. If you're using a Windows computer, hold down the Control key, Ctrl, located at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. While holding this key, press the plus key, which is usually located next to the backspace key or near the top right corner of your keyboard, and each press will zoom in a little more, allowing you to stop when it reaches a comfortable viewing size. If you're on a Mac, the process is just as simple, but instead of the Control key, you'll use the Command key. Hold it down and press the plus key to zoom in, just like on Windows. Each press will increase the zoom level, making everything on your screen larger. It's important to adjust the zoom level to your comfort, as straining to view content can lead to eye strain or discomfort, especially if you're working for extended periods. Remember, you can always press Control or Command on Mac and the minus key to zoom back out if you feel you've zoomed in too much. Now, you might be wondering what to do if you zoom in too much or if you want to return to the default view quickly. The solution is simple. Press the Control and 0 keys simultaneously on Windows or Command and 0 on a Mac to instantly reset the zoom level to its default setting. In summary, adjusting the zoom in Google Drive can greatly enhance your viewing experience, making it easier to work with documents or view details. Remember, sign in securely, use the Control or Command key plus the plus key to zoom in, and adjust to your preferred level for a comfortable viewing experience. And just like that, you've learned how to zoom in on Google Drive, making your document handling that bit easier. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you now feel more comfortable navigating and adjusting Google Drive to suit your needs. Keep exploring and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier.